Hello everybody, another one has arrived. Ta-da! Right, let's get this unboxed and see what we've got. Ooh, DMR. Okay, we've got a DMR radio here. What do we have with it? We have the radio, let's get rid of that. The instruction manual. This is something else. The charging base station. The charging power. The belt clip. And the antenna. Little stubby antenna. What have we got here? There we go. This bit, by the way, is for my other digital radio. It failed on me, and the supplier sent me this one, along with another radio. So, it's a DMR, and let's get it turned on. It's just going to be a quick one tonight. Let's have a look. It's already got the battery plugged in. Let's see what it is. How do you get the battery out? Oh, there we go. No markings on the battery. Okay. Let's turn it on.
1.
There we go. What's it doing? Why does it keep... Okay, had a bad start with that other radio. So I showed the supplier, and they've sent me another one. So...
1.
Let's get it turned on. Okay, this one seems to be working. As you see, the other one had a bad button or some sort of board problem with it or something. This is a DMR. It's the DM-8800 from YJT. It's one of my favourite manufacturers at the minute because they make some pretty good ones. The last one I had is really good, the DM-6100. I'll put a link in the pop-up should appear in a few seconds. Anyway, this one is a DMR, analog digital, obviously. It also has GPS and APRS in it as well. So I'm just going to quickly go through the menus. You've got your contacts, this is the DMR side. Scan, you got zones. Oh, focus is a bit out there. Let's see if I can get it a bit better. Okay, so you've got contacts. Still bad. Anyway, let's bring it further up, see if it's any better. Okay, you've got contacts, scan mode, zones, messages, call log, settings, record, roaming, GPS, and APRS. Interesting. So, what other options are there here? Alright, so that switches you from A to B. Oh, this is a digital channel, done by the D. No, this is an analog channel. See what analog options are different. Alright, okay, so you've got scan, settings, and GPS. What other ones can we do here? Looks like the rest of it might be all through the menu. Oh, manual dial. No idea what that is yet. Okay. What if that's mute or monitor? I'll find out later on once I've played with it. Okay, so go to GPS. GPS on, GPS off, time info. Well, I'm indoors, so I don't know if that's going to work. GPS off, GPS, oh, I'll turn it on for a start. Okay. It's probably not going to find it because I'm inside and I can't be bothered to go outside now, it's late. Anyway, let's go back to the digital. Back to here, menu, got scan, settings, call log, settings, here we go. It says the radio settings. The usual digital stuff in there. Oh, there's short key presses, what you can configure them to do. Power save, the usuals. Channel sets. Oh, this is where you set the channel, frequency, color code, time slot, radio ID, alias, etc., etc. Device ID, the radio version is 1, my radio, nothing set up yet. Firmware. What else have we got? We got record. To play with that around with that later on to get a better understanding. Roaming. Have to maybe just get an understanding of what roaming means. We got the GPS again, on off. We got the APRS. Okay. Right. Well, oh, there's a little GPS icon there. I wonder if it's managed to find anything. Probably not. Oops. No, I can't. I'll do that later on when I'm outside. So, yeah, after a bad start with this radio, this is the DM-880 or 88. Yeah, 880. Well, it'll be in the description. It'll be the proper model name, and it's a digital radio. It's by JYT or YJT, can't remember. The same company that did my DM-6100, which I really love. But I'll have to play with this one and see what it's like. Anyway, that's a new radio. I'm getting an interesting Baofeng coming soon, which I haven't seen anywhere. Anyway, keep your eyes peeled, and I'll have a few more videos, maybe there's a couple more of the Quansheng ones. So, enjoy, and have a good night. 7 degrees.